Your CIO is clearing Microsoft Teams tickets before 8 a.m. Your CFO is asking whether an AI event deserves 2 staff days. Your COO is worried Los Angeles traffic could affect client deadlines. That is the real lens for tech conferences in Burbank. Not hype, not vendor noise. A leadership calendar that has to support risk, budget, compliance, support, and operations. As Sylvia Sevilla at IT Pros Management says, the best event plan starts with one business problem, one owner, and one decision the team needs to make afterward. That is where many teams get stuck. A conference without a business goal creates scattered notes and vendor demos. A stronger plan starts with the workday that needs fixing. Stalled approvals, help desk backlogs, audit evidence gaps, cloud collaboration issues, or executive reporting that does not give the board enough clarity. For Burbank leaders, useful events may show up across Los Angeles, Pasadena, Hollywood, Anaheim, San Francisco, or Las Vegas. The key is to ask whether each event helps reduce risk, improve support, document compliance, or support a better budget decision. Cybersecurity events should answer questions about audit readiness, incident ownership, risk trends training, and SOC accountability. AI and Microsoft 365 summits should help leaders govern sensitive files, permissions, approvals, and activity review. Media and production events should be evaluated for secure file sharing, identity access, storage, rendering, cloud editing, and AI asset governance. The work does not end when the event ends. Assign an owner. Write one business question before registration. Build a vendor shortlist. Document risks and controls. Turn notes into roadmap decisions. Read the full article for the complete framework, and add this to your Spotify playlist for easy reference.